Hundreds, maybe even thousands of blackbirds, grackles, while these species can be seen as an annoyance. These birds like to hang out in grocery store, parking lots, and along the side of major roads. During the winter months, grackles like to roost. This is why you don't see one or two of them together. Hundreds or even thousands grackles sitting along power lines and also in trees. Another thing that is interesting about grackles, their eyes. The birds can basically be moving each eye independently from the other one. If you put one picture up and one picture down in front of their eyes, they can move their eyes one up and one down. And also they can close one eye and one eye can stay on that picture. If you really enjoyed this video, then please do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.